Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we got the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang, front sump oil pan. Oil pressure extension installed, easy hookup, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps all set in place, gas filter, quick fuel carburetor on there, aluminum intake manifold, 14-inch air cleaner with the washable filter, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings for easy hookups, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, chrome fuel line, electric choke wire, heavy duty 140 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt, belt tensions all set, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. It'll be completely dialed in, ready to go. Timing set, carburetor adjusted. So there you have it. This is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for the customer's 1966 Mustang. Thanks for watching.